What's up, Fantastic Two family? Welcome back to another video, you guys. So today we're gonna be doing a carpool because you know we be rolling. They hate it. We grinding and thriving. They try to catch us riding dirty. Anyway, so this is like a really perfect angle. I'm really in love with this angle. Look how beautiful mommy looks today. That made no difference. Beautiful mommy. Yes. I'm gonna zoom in on her face though. And look,
somebody had the nerve to call me bald head the other day. I said, I mean, girl, bitch.
That's how you can do it. Like, is that sure?
Throw the baby away.
Ooh, they gonna think you crazy.
No. You want chicken sandwiches?
Yes. Chicken sandwiches.
Spicy, I'm saying.
Yeah, spicy chicken sandwich.
You want the both of them so you can just have one for later? Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Can I please have, do you have like milkshakes? Like, are the milkshakes on sale? Like, I know you have like different prices for like small, medium, like, are the milkshakes $2?
Alright, so you guys, we are currently in McDonald's driveway. About to get some food.
Okay, you just have the,
and yeah.
The McFlurry.
And she's currently ordering.
What is it the,
what do you get?
What you mean?
Like, what did you get to eat? A small fry.
Just a little snackety snack.
I was in the fry.
Those Christian fries. You got burgers, you got sandwiches.
Oh! Christian not eating all the fries.
You can share with him, but don't have fries and his drink. I don't know why you ordered this Sprite.
Mama, that is not his drink.
Thank you.
Best believe.
You can share with him though.
No. No.
Thank you.
He don't even like Sprite. Oh. Anyway, you guys, so I love this lighting. I love the angle and I love the lighting. Okay, so I was trying to do a prank on her, right? I put the camera right there. No.
Because you almost got
earlier. I put the camera right there and then I put the camera right here and then she just was wrapping the freaking tripod around it like a freaking rope. And now we about to have to get another tripod and I'm broke. I bought a Starbucks yesterday. I would have got us another tripod.
Oh, can I have a barbecue sauce?
So,
and some pepper ketchup.
That sucks. But I'm so excited to get a spicy chicken sandwich. I haven't had a spicy chicken sandwich in like 80 years, I swear. Oh! Burger King has the best spicy chicken sandwiches, but...
Ooh, how many you took it out? Thank you so much.
They're both still good. But Burger King, they put this like Chipotle sauce.
Oh yeah, I think it's the same.
In the sandwich, it's so bomb. So
bomb.
yeah. It's spicier than normal, but it's good. I like spicy stuff. Oh, I got the cameras on fire. I really. It's on fire. She doesn't. I thought it was. But it mustn't. Surprisingly. But my mom has this. What you call that thing? A magnetic phone holder. In her car, but my phone doesn't have a magnetic piece that it has for her phone. So I can't use it. I thought that would be a really great angle because you can take it anywhere in the little vent things that the air comes out of. So,
well, I think it's only like $15.
I'll just give me one of those.
I feel like I have another magnetic strip. I gotta find the box that I'm having in. I feel like I put it in the trunk.
Yeah, this is fine.
Oh my
It's
God.
funny because we have a big trunk. I put it going on. And I don't know about it. You look. No, they don't smell like nothing though, but no.
Oh my God, I forgot to go in again.
And it's crazy because you always talk about me. No.
What time we get it?
She's following her daughter's footsteps.
I don't know why I keep forgetting. I do everything else.
It's surprising.
I started putting my makeup on first. That's why.
It's surprising that you're actually picking your deodorant. Because usually I do. So when I forget my deodorant, she puts her deodorant on, but when she forgets her deodorant,
You put deodorant on?
put deodorant on. Don't take that off. Oh my god, what do I have in this bag, you might ask? I got shoes. She yelling out the window like I'ma bring the keys, yeah. I was trying to get my stuff together and put your freaking pretzels back and do all the cool daughter stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all look at this. Somebody's car is done with. Over. That's crazy. You reckon? Mama, you see that car?
Yeah, that's crazy.
But I just know that's terrible. Oh my god. I feel bad. Life goes on. Anyway, I hope and pray for that person that person is okay. I said I was gonna see you later. How long did you think we was gonna stay?
I thought you said it was later.
Yeah, later. This is later. Like an hour or two. Do you like Sprite, Christian? No, he didn't. He gonna say yeah because he knew I wanted it so bad. He gonna say yeah. I'm gonna say yeah anyway. Even though I don't drink Sprite that much, but I'll say. Bye, guys. Stay fantastically fantastic.